cereal. We're going to give you your first bite of rice cereal. And your brother's crying. What do you think about it? You like it? Is it yummy? Or should I swallow it? Oh, you like it? Here, let's try this one. Try another bite. There you go. Do you like it? Oh. You like it? You're 5 months old, and this is your first time having rice cereal. What do you think about it? Mommy's hoping it makes you sleep because you're driving her crazy. Driving her crazy. You want another bite? Brayden. Yummy. Say bye-bye, Mommy. Bye-bye.